I'm Kristen, and today I'm going to be doing an update and a flip on these side tables. These are super heavy duty, great, and they're in great shape. But as you can see, there's scratches and they need to be updated. So I thought I'd try something fun, add some texture. Also, I'm going to be trying a new paint color today. This is Behr Paint, and it's their paint color of the year, and it's cracked pepper. It's close to a grayish black, so I'm excited to try that. I don't know how it'll sell, but it's always fun trying new things. So I'm also going to be taking these that I bought at Home Depot, and I'm going to be cutting them down, and we're going to add texture inside these. So I'm going to cut these. I measured 5 inches, so I'm going to cut a bunch of these for 5 inches. We're gonna glue them inside, and obviously we're gonna take off the hardware, and I don't know, I might keep these and spray paint them gold, but I might just add some new altogether. So that I still have to decide. As always, thank you so much for subscribing, for watching, for liking. I appreciate all of you, and let's get started. Okay, we have the hardware removed, and it is time to scuff sand, which is, if you watch my channel, you know I do this with all my furniture. It's very important. It's just a light sanding to get the finish off of the furniture that you're working on. So I'm gonna take these outside and do that. I'm using 120 grit today, just to get that top finish off. Okay, we're ready to cut this. I'm just using a little Black & Decker compact saw, and I measured out 5 inches for all of these, and we're just going to cut them, or saw them. Okay, that was not a clean cut. So I'm gonna take some sandpaper and make this completely smooth, and then just keep sawing away. Okay, that looks smooth. Let's see if it fits. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna continue that process and cut way too many of these, and then we'll be ready to glue them on. Okay, I have one section done. As you can see, I'm really excited for how it's gonna turn out. I did get the hang of using the saw, so my cuts were way better and faster, but it is gonna take a little time. As you can see, that's only one, that's 23, so back to work. Okay, we are ready to glue these on, and I did sand all the edges just to make it nice and smooth. And I'm just using some wood glue that I have, and I am going to use a paintbrush just to make it not so crazy everywhere and make it even. Okay, and I will do this for a really long time, and then we will be ready to put the primer. And then we'll be ready to put the primer on. Okay, so we are ready to take this outside, and the primer I'm going to be using is Zinsser Bullseye, and I'm going to be using gray since I'm painting it black. So there's an up close, and so I'm just going to take this outside and spray paint it down. I'm still waiting for the other one to dry, so we'll do that one next. are ready for the paint. I'm so excited. I think these look great already. So what I did do is I took, well, normally I take 220 grit sandpaper, but I didn't have any of that today. So I took 120 and I just lightly sanded the primer on these just to make sure they are completely smooth. And so I mixed up my paint and we're ready for the first coat of paint. Okay, we're ready to drill the holes to put the hardware and the screws in. Okay guys, I found this contact paper from another project I had done and I thought it was really perfect for this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put these inside the drawers. Okay guys, we're ready to seal. We're ready to seal this using Dixie Belle clear coat in satin and a Dixie Belle brush. You can also get the blue sponge that comes with it for the top coat. And I did have one, but I cannot find it. So I'm just gonna be using this brush. Okay guys, we are finally finished. I am in love. I think these are so cool. Definitely one of my favorite projects. So the top coat I put on the whole thing, and yes, I had to take the hardware off because I was so excited to get them on that I didn't finish the top coat. So I had to remove these and then I added a coat. It's drying still a little bit, but after you use the Dixie Belle top coat, you can reapply after 1 hour. So it does cure in about 7 days, but it only takes a few hours to dry. But to actually wipe it down, if you, you know, spill something on it, I would wait like 7 days to actually really use it. But it dries in a couple hours and you can, you know, touch it and it's fine. So here they are. I think it's a pretty cool improvement from what they started out as. And I absolutely love the lining inside. I just think it's a really cool added touch to these. But yeah, here you go. One thing I forgot to film was when I sanded off the wood filler. I just took sandpaper with by my hand and did it. It took like 2 seconds. But it did make it nice and smooth and it took out those lines. But tell me what you guys think. I think these are so cool. I can't wait to put them on Marketplace and see how they sell. I would love to hear from you guys. Tell me what you think with the added texture. I love the hardware and I love that I chose to spray paint it gold. I think that's really cool. I think it's a good contrast. So yeah, let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you guys. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all of you. I appreciate the comments, you guys watching these videos, following along, and I hope that inspired you to try something like this if you wanted to. It was so easy. It was time consuming because I don't have a regular saw, so that was cutting these took the most time, but like I said, I really did get faster with that. So super easy to do if you are thinking about trying this. I encourage you to, and always reach out with any questions, and please feel free to hit like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.